welcome geometry. Pull up a nice glass of Mountain Dew or something, and let's have a quick lesson on. It's section 4 of chapter 7. It's on what's called side similarity and side angle side similarity. Okay, that's SAS. That's some of you guys probably. Okay. Anyway, you remember back in, I think it's chapter 4, when we proved, we had a bunch of theorems for proving that triangles are congruent. Okay. Well, there's kind of like that. We have a bunch, not a bunch, but we have different theorems that prove that triangles are not congruent but similar. And I think in the last section we talked about what did we talk about? Angle similarity. That if two angles are equal in if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then you know the two triangles are similar. Okay. This one you could probably guess. It just simply says that if we have two triangles, let's call this A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So side says that if these are proportional, so let's say this is 4, this is 3, and this is 3 also, and then this is 6, 6, and 8. We'll just make it really easy. You can see with your eyeball that this side corresponds to this side, and it's twice the size. This one's twice the size of that. This side corresponds to that. This corresponds to that, and they're both twice as much. So all the proportions are the same. So you know that these two triangles are similar. Okay, even without knowing anything about the angles, you can judge it just based on the sides. And that is theorem 7.3, side. The next one, well, maybe I don't want to erase everything. It's side angle side. So this was 7.3, and this is 7.4. Seven 7.4 just says that if you have two sides that you know are proportional to two other sides, so 4 to 8, 3 to 6, those are proportional. And you know that these two angles, you need to have the included angle, the included angle between the two sides, the included angle between these two sides. But if you know that those are congruent, then you know the whole triangle is similar. Okay. So there's just two more weapons in your arsenal. We have now 3 different ways of proving that triangles are similar. Actually 4. You could take this, you could dilate it twice as much, you could rotate it, and if you sit it right on top of that, then you know the triangles are similar also. Okay, so you could do that. You could test 2 different angles. You could do side, or you can do the SAS. All right, that is, I think, it for section 4. And I think we're about halfway through this chapter, so let's take a little break, okay? All right.